In this section of the program, we shall discuss inspection of components. Careful inspection of the stator assembly may reveal problems or impending problems in the stator windings. A common problem is shorted windings, which show as burnt areas in the coils. Short circuits and grounded circuits reveal burns or blackening of the winding insulation material. Motor overloading usually results in total blackening of the winding insulation. In extreme cases, a motor may be totally damaged due to a locked rotor, usually the result of mechanical failure of the driven unit. Any fault or suspicious condition discovered in the motor winding should be brought to the attention of your supervisor. The rotor and shaft assembly should be checked visually for any damage, such as loose bars or end rings. Ideally, the shaft should be checked for run-out or bends, and where facilities exist, the rotor is balanced. It is not usual to reinstall used bearings. If, however, you are forced to replace a bearing, then it should be thoroughly cleaned and inspected for any physical impairment. Examine both end shields for physical damage, including damage or wear in the bearing support area. Inspect all fasteners and renew any with damaged threads. Ensure that both the cooling fan and the fan cowling are in good order. Consult the manufacturer's manuals or data sheets for any other detail relevant to the motor being attended to. After the break, we shall overview bearing replacement and motor assembly.